Good afternoon, sir. This is my terminal report in Albay First Precision Engine Rebuilders Incorporated. Next. So, Albay First Precision Engine Rebuilders Incorporation established in the first week of January 2022 in Tagas, Daraga, Albay. Albay First Precision Engine Rebuilders Incorporation is a new machine shop owned by Mr. Lawrence T. Lee. Its service include machining, rebuilding, and fabricating metals that will support industry, academic, and professional development. The operation is from Monday to Saturday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is the assigned unit. So the first week of January 20 to 25, I assign in late machine number 3. Second week, January 27 to February 1, I assign in shaper. Next is the milling and sage grinding. The assigned unit. So, sa first week pala, ang nangyari kasi sa amin, di ito nasunod. Ang nakalagay kasi sa first week ko is late. Second week is shaper. Sa third week is milling. And sa fourth week, sage grinder. And ulit-ulit lang yung sinabi sa amin na sa assigned unit namin. Ang sa first week na training namin sa Albay First Precision, naka-assign ako sa first week and second week. Naka-assign ako sa centering, which is late number 2. So ang ginawa namin doon, yung first day pala, orientation. After orientation, pinakilala yung mga employees, then kami din nagpakilala sa kanila, tapos pinag-practice lang nila kami sa late machine, which is centering and use of vernier caliper and dial indicator. Almost 2 weeks din kaming nagpa-practice nung centering, threading, and reboring. So, sa week and 3 and 4 ko, pinapa-familiarize ulit sa amin yung pag-centering kasi wala pa man masyadong customer nung mga araw na yun. So, naka-assign pa rin ako dito sa late number 2, which is nag centering, nag-threading, and reboring. So, sa week 5 and 6, ang ginawa namin is na-assign ako nun sa shaper. Si Sir Joseph ang machinist nun, senior machinist. So, binigyan niya ako ng project noon na i-remove lang yung existing 3mm sa flat bar. Tapos, that was my first project and operate the shaper machine. So, the next day, naka-assign ako nun sa milling machine. Which is ang supervisor ko nun is si Sir Joseph ulit. Then, yun nga, pinagawa niya ako nung hexagonal shape para daw ma-familiarize ko yung movement nung shaper. Then, ulit-ulit lang, ganun lang. Para daw, ma-focus ako din yung mga dapat na isaalang-alang ko kapag nasa machine na nag-ooperate na. So, sa week 7 and 8, supposedly dapat nasa crankshaft ako noon, sa crankshaft grinder, which is kaso lang walang supervisor doon and walang nag-ooperate sa crankshaft grinder. An assessment of the on-the-job training experience. So, my insight, I learned about the proper use of dial indicator. Of course, in the help of Sir Mark, the operator of late machines, they give us techniques on how to use it properly. We just need more patience, and I also learned a slight on how to read the vernier caliper and micrometer. But Sir Mark, they suggest us to use micrometer rather than caliper, especially in the working piece is sensitive and need to be precise. So the next, the new development of skill competencies acquired in the course of training. As a student trainee of Alway First Position, I developed more on centering these skills is very important because if you don't center it properly, the whole operation will turn bad outcome. This training taught me that we need to follow the instructions carefully and always listen to the supervisor. So the next is the useful of the other technological course of the training program. For me, it's more useful because we have background in mechanical technologies, especially when we perform a lathe machine at familiar to us. So letter C, what are the most interesting and challenging part during the conduct of your SAP training program? For me, the most interesting part during our training is the centering because I make that job easily. Also, I have interest in employees. They don't hesitate to give us new learnings, their techniques in order to make our project doing well. And challenging part that I encounter is I didn't perform in late machine because in late machine number 3 is bigger than me than the equipment. In using this machine are heavy that make us uncomfortable. So significant recommendation. So letter A, the cooperating agency on the task assigned on and on the management of the training program. My recommendation to the management in generalization, I would suggest to segregate their waste properly and throw it in the time of collecting. Also, I see the hazard that can cause accident of the workers, like uncovering the wires and so uncovered fan and wires. So letter B, to the will-be student trainees. For me, to the future student trainee, I recommend them to always respect their supervisor. Supervisor always to follow the rules and the regulations of the company and respect to themselves. So the next is to the faculty members handling the course to further improve learning experience. So for me, I'm very thankful to the faculty members in handling this course. Because of your hard work, they give me experience this job. I hope to have more company partners to come and have a good relation in order to the future students training. So letter D, the new technology to be adapted for instruction and research purpose if any. For me, hoping na lang na magkaroon sila ng bagong machine like yung CNC machine na kasi mas updated yung CNC machine kaysa yung mga nandito sa Albay and sa mga university natin dito sa Bicol. Kasi ang hirap kasi pag manual siya eh. Di kung sa CNC kasi parang isa-set mo na lang siya then tapos na parang maghihintay ka na lang matapos. Yun nga, so sana magkaroon dito ng mga bagong updated and upgraded na mga machine. So next, other documentations is the first week, nag-thread kami, pina-thread ako ni Sir Ramil, tapos practice niya ako mag-centering. Then ito, pag wala kami ginagawa, may nagawash kami ng mga engine block, and using may gas and yung tigakuskus na lang. Kasi ito yung sa shaper ay sa milling, pinagawa ko ni Sir Joseph ng hexagonal shape, and syempre para daw ma-familiarize din yung machine, yung movement ng machine. So the next, ito yung heavy equipment pin for backhoe or bushing. So yan, sa shaper to namin, sa shaper ko to ginawa. Ito yung bushing ng ito siya. Then, ayan. So, ito yung during na ginagawa namin yung bushing para sa bako. Ang tawag lang din yata, turning lang. So, hindi naman dito naman si Kuya Mark para i-assist kami. Hindi naman talaga yung kami lang talaga yung gumawa niyan. Dito naman si Kuya Joseph yung nag-assist sa akin para matapos ko tong bushing ng pin. Tapos ito na siyang final. Sa next, other attachments, yung DTR namin and yung certificate of completion na galing sa Albay First Precision, signed by Miss HR Officer Michelle Silly, saka si Sir Lawrence, and then si Ma'am France sa admin office. That will be all. Thank you.